Hey guys, this is a tip of the day for all you boaters that just purchased a brand new boat. You don't know too much about boating. Well, this is a tip that you might want to know. If you buy a boat with twin engines, what you do is you put one going forward, the other one going reverse, and what she does is she's gonna do a 360 and it's gonna turn like I'm doing right now. So this is really good when you're somewhere tight or you're in a marina trying to park or you're having issues and you need to turn her around on the same spot. Well, this is what you do. And just like a tractor, if the starboard engine is going forward and the port engine is going reverse, you're gonna go counterclockwise. But if you change now here, like I'm gonna do right now, if I put my port engine forward and my starboard reverse, now what are we doing? We're going clockwise. So for all you boaters out there that didn't know about this, that are new to this is a tip that now you know to help you out and make parking a little bit easier. So if you need a brand new boat, give us a call. I'll give you some tips. Atlantic Marine.
Perfect.
Here we go. Getting a little dizzy from going in circles. Bye guys.